With the summer sizzle starting to fizzle, cooler heads are looking to lock in a wellness routine fit for the fall and beyond. Lucky for you, Ritual's high standards don't drop with the temperature. Fully committed to traceable science and sourcing, Ritual is shaking up the supplement industry with high-quality ingredients and scientifically developed formulas. With them, you know what you're taking, where it comes from, and why it's important. They've got every base covered, from their clinically backed Women's 18-plus multivitamin to groundbreaking options like stress relief and sleep melatonin, which both use first-of-its-kind bioseries technology designed to optimize formula delivery. And right now, for a limited time, get up to 40% off your first month at ritual.com/podcast. As the summer sizzle fades, it's time to establish a wellness routine that's here to stay. Ritual is shaking up the supplement industry with their focus on traceable science and high-quality ingredients. They've got every base covered, from their clinically backed Women's 18-plus multivitamin to their stress relief and sleep melatonin, both using first-of-its-kind bioseries technology designed to optimize formula delivery. For a limited time, get up to 40% off your first month at ritual.com/podcast.
Over 3 trillion liters of water released from Glacier Lake. For the first time, experts have closely monitored a glacial lake outburst flood, GLOF, at Catalina Lake, revealing immense potential for green energy harnessing. Between September 23rd and October 11th, more than 3 trillion liters of water were released from Catalina Lake in East Greenland, according to IFL Science on December 18th. This marks the first instance where scientists have meticulously observed such an event, yielding valuable insights into how floods cause damage in other parts of the world. Catalina is a glacial lake nestled in a valley dammed by the Edward Bailey Glacier. Water had been accumulating in the lake for over 2 decades, but recently reached a critical threshold, lifting the glacier and creating a natural 25-kilometer-long ice tunnel. This tunnel funneled an enormous amount of water from the lake into Scoresby Sound, the world's largest fjord, causing the water level in Catalina Lake to plummet by 154 meters. The entire process was closely monitored in real time using satellite imagery by a team of scientists from the Niels Bohr Institute at the University of Copenhagen. In this case, the energy released from the glacial lake flood was equivalent to the output of the world's largest nuclear power plant running at full capacity for 22 days, said Aslak Grinstead, a climate researcher at the Niels Bohr Institute. This phenomenon, known as a glacial lake outburst flood, can be triggered by natural factors such as water buildup, erosion, snowmelt, heavy rainfall, earthquakes, or volcanic eruptions. It can also result from human-induced climate change as rising temperatures accelerate glacier melting. The risk posed by glacier-dammed lakes is increasing due to global warming. Understanding this phenomenon is crucial to provide timely warnings if a flood is likely to occur, Grinstead explained. Fortunately, the recent flood in East Greenland posed minimal risk to humans due to the sparse population in the area. However, many glacial lakes around the world are situated near densely populated regions. A 2023 study found that 15 million people globally are at risk from deadly glacial lake floods, with India, Pakistan, Peru, and China being the most vulnerable. Despite the risks, the event offers a silver lining. Researchers highlighted that the immense energy released from GLOFs could be a significant source of renewable energy. The energy released during the recent Catalina Lake event could continuously provide 50 megawatts of electricity, sufficient to power a small town. While constructing the infrastructure necessary to harness this energy in remote locations like Greenland presents challenges, the concept holds great promise.